Yes. So agile, man. We have the torque, so third it is. Let's feel the traction. Yes, I feel so much more at home here. Love it! Love it! Oh my god. Wow. Loved the Supra.
So I've been doing some commentary while doing the hot laps in the cars. This one I was speechless, man. I mean,
Felt like home.
It felt like home. Like I said, I'm a new guy, so I'm just getting used to these ones.
Yeah.
But once I got into this, just everything just worked better, man. It felt more natural.
Did you go sideways?
I got a little sideways, but not a lot. Surprisingly, this is up there with the City.
Is it?
Not quite in terms of the rawness.
Okay.
I'm sure if Toyota makes a GRMN version of this, which please Toyota, please make one. This would be right up there with the City in terms of the raw feeling and the like a track day car. It's really close to being like a proper track day car. Like a car you can just bang lap after lap in.
Nice.
I loved it.